Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select stickers on the journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Now if you want to select and find different stickers, go to the lower bar, click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and in the calendar options you can find the last button, the sticker of calendar. Click that, and here you can find different stickers for decorate, climate, location, emotion, work and others. You can check the news and all. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.